It is a pleasure to welcome our industry expert Mr. Ramalingam today. Sir, how can an investor evaluate his SIP performance? What are the methods to do it?
There are multiple ways to do it. One is please don't compare your mutual fund SIP performance vis-a-vis any traditional products like FD, RD, post office RD. Don't compare gold chip. Don't compare. Compare with only with apple to apple. So compare equity with equity. How I can compare? First is you can compare the equity performance with the respective index. If I am investing in an active fund, is it performing better than its benchmark? If is it like maybe in the you started SIP next 1 year market has come down by 10%, but your equity SIP has come down only by 8%. That means the fund manager is really doing a good job. He is protecting the downside risk. He has reduced downside risk. When the market goes up by 10%, your fund has gone up by 15%. That means he is outbeating the benchmark and generating 5% alpha. You can continue the SIP. Second level of checking is category average. You are investing in a large cap fund or mid cap fund, how other mid cap funds are doing well. Right? There is a category average return which is available. Put together all the 30 mid cap funds, what is the return? What is the category average return? Is your fund beating the average return and giving you above average return or not? That you can check. Right? There are also other ways to check like Sharpe ratio, standard deviation, what we have performance based on return is what I have told you. Also, performance based on how much risk they are taking is also we have to check, which is kind of complicated tools like correlation, standard deviation, beta, alpha, Sharpe ratio, 10A ratio, all those things you have to check. And based on that, you have to take a decision. So that way, I would strongly suggest you to consult with your mutual fund distributor or professional financial planner. That will help you.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also, you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.